The first reading in today's liturgy is the well-known story of Moses and the appearance of God in the burning bush. In this experience, Moses receives a call from God. God tells him that he wants Moses to be the one who will free his people from slavery in Egypt. Moses, however, is reticent about the call, and he says, who am I that you would pick me? Why would you want me to be the one to free your people? He says in particular, I'm not good with words, so I don't know why I could convince the Pharaoh to release my people. God simply answers, don't worry about it. I will be with you. Trust me. So when the gospel writers looked back on the life of Moses, they saw in it a foreshadowing of some of the events of Jesus' life. So they depict Jesus in the Garden of Gethsemane as being unsure, worried, anxious about what is about to happen to him, that he is going to suffer, be crucified, and die. And so he says in prayer, Father, let this cup pass me by. And yet he receives the inspiration from God to continue, to move forward, to carry out the mission for which he was sent by God. And so he ends his prayer by saying, not my will, but yours be done. Once again, it is a submission to God in faith. And so the story of Moses placing his trust in God is a foreshadowing of Jesus placing his trust in God at the key moment in their lives.